Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I bought this engine model here and I'm going to build it and hopefully I can use this for my future project. Let's scratch to this project. I have not done this kind of build yet. This is like new to me, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be building this engine kit here. I'll leave this link in the description down below, so if you're interested, you can go and check it out for yourself. Now I want to test this just to see this engine spin. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. This is freaking cool.
the motor is spinning, but it's not engaged. So let's engage. So let's go first gear. Oh yeah. Second gear. Woo, so cool. Third gear. And fourth gear. Oh yeah. That is looking so cool. The engine. Look at all the pistons in there. It's roaring. The V8 engine is roaring.
I just finished building this V8 engine and it was really cool. It took me 2 days to build this whole engine thing, and I think it took me like 8 hours to build this whole thing. It is very tiring. I built part 1 and have a part 2 on the one day, and then the rest of part 2 and part 3 on the second day. It's not the highest quality model out there, but I will leave a link in the description down below. My stand is broken. I think I need to buy a new stand there. But anyway, let's continue. I'll leave a link down below for this model if you are interested. It's very cool. I like how you can select each gear. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. And each gear, the fan over here spins faster and faster, which is really like a car. This is our first model that I had ever built in my life, and it's really cool. So yes, I love it. I'm gonna be trying to get more of these kind of model. Maybe further in the future, I'm gonna get like higher and higher model just to compare like this model versus like $300-400 model, and then like into the thousands. Hopefully I can get there. Subscribe to help me get there, and become a member of the channel to help me get there, to help me fund project like this. But anyway, yeah, I really like it. And it has a battery, the forward and a backward. I cannot do backward. If I do backward like this, you hear that click? There's a click in there that keeps breaking the chain when I do the backward motion. But when I do the forward motion, it works perfectly. And one more thing that I don't like about this mod is just that these connected parts here, the exhaust, stuff like that, it's really on the cheaper side. It falls off so easily, which I don't like at all. You can just knock, especially this part right here. This part, you can just really knock this part. It falls off so easily. This thing has fallen like 1,000 times when I was trying to build this whole model. Yeah, you get what you pay for. And overall, for the price of this model, I think it is really good. It is really cool. You have a motor here, you have a battery here, you got 4-speed controlling. You get to see all the piston move back and forth. It's a cool model and I like it. Well, that'll be it for this video of me building this V8 engine here. May not be the most high quality video as I ever done, because it's gonna take a really long time to edit, and hopefully I can have the energy to edit to the best of my ability. But that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel because more amazing videos like this is coming. And if you haven't yet become a member of the channel, it helps me fund projects like this in the future with my 3D printing, and I really enjoy making videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.